Hey everyone, this is Pankaj Sharma and we are on one more video on Python for beginners, and in this video we will be talking about dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are a collection of key value pairs, and by key value pairs means every value is associated with a key, and when you get or insert or update a data, you do it by using the help of keys. And what can be key? Key can be any immutable type, and right now we will concentrate only on strings and numbers as key, because in most of the future time you will be getting keys as strings and numbers. But the only thing we have to keep in mind is keys should be unique, and we will be doing get and insert and update and delete of the values and the key value pair inside the dictionaries. We will not be covering delete in this video, but we will be doing that when we introduce the delete statement. And dictionaries are mutable, so you can insert, update, delete values inside the same object. So let's go ahead and do some practical. So first of all, how a dictionary can be declared. So you can see that I have declared my dictionary with opening curly braces and a closing curly braces, where I have kept like customer ID is 1101 and the customer first name is Pankaj, last name is Sharma, and balance is 12,000 something. Now this is a good example of dictionaries because this is a form of the real world data you will have, and by that you can always understand that what is a key value pair. Now for this kind of declaration, whenever you want to get the first name, you just do my underscore dict and put the key name, so it is first name in this case, and if you do this you will get the value. And value is what? Keys will always be similar when you are using in real world example. So for one model you will have same keys and the values will be different. So you can take keys as the columns in a table, and the value is the actual value inside each row of that column. So now this is how you can get the value. So now I want to add a mobile number inside the dictionary. So when I run this, I will find out that there is no mobile number, and to add a mobile number I will have to provide the key name. Even if the key is not there, this key will be added. If I do this and execute my dictionary again, you will see the mobile number is already present. We can have a list inside the dictionary. So let's say for this customer, we want to have its favorite items. So what I can do is I can copy this fav items, and this fav item doesn't need to be a dictionary. So let's do that. And I have put the values of the favorite items, and if I execute this and I check back my dictionary, you will get the favorite items as a list. Now we want to have data by which we are saying who referenced this customer to us. For that we want to have like my underscore dict. We can keep a key like ref from, and the value can be a dictionary by which we say cust id is 101, reference this customer, and the name of the customer is Vikas. If I run this and if I run again my dictionary, you will see I have made a dictionary inside a dictionary, which is the next dictionary. We can even see, and we will always get practical examples in life where we will need list of dictionaries inside a dictionary. Means you will have a key whose value will be list, but the values of the list will be actual keys. Like if you want to keep multiple addresses of the customer, so let me copy this, and we can have addresses like this. I'm not putting a lot of time in data value entry here. So you can create a list of dictionaries and you can assign it to a key value inside the dictionary, and if I run this, you will see my dictionary changes. So now you have addresses inside this, and it is a list of key value pairs dictionaries. Now this is all good. I mean, you can do this nesting up to any level, but the complexity will increase. Now you come to a point where you need to change the office address of this customer. Right now we will be traversing by ourselves, but when you will learn about if statements and else statements and for loop and everything, we will be traversing this automatically just by finding out if the value is similar which we want to change. So to do that and to go to this line, we will have to traverse this list. To get this list, we will have to go to this key. So let's get this key first. If I pass the key and try to get the value, I get a list of dictionaries. Now I know that the first index is having the office address. So if I do this, I get the office address. Now I know that if I go to address, I will get the actual address. Yes, and now I can change it. So if I want to change address value 3 to changed address value 2, oh, it's done. Now I can check back, and I see the value has been changed. And this is very similar. You can do it for a dictionary inside the dictionary. You can do it for the list inside the dictionary. So for doing that, you can practice, and I think you will be able to do that. How we can add data, we saw how we can update data. Deletion we will see when we will introduce the delete statement. We will be looking at more practical examples in coming future when we will be using dictionaries a lot, using if and for loop and everything. But keep in mind, dictionaries are always equal to JSON, and if you don't know JSON, when you will read it or when you will understand, you will see that it is interchangeable, and most of the world is working on JSON nowadays, so dictionary becomes very important. I think we are good to go for this video. If you found this good, please like it. If you find the contents of this channel to be of your liking, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. Thank you guys. I appreciate your time.